Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your payment method on the Apple Wallet if it's not giving you the option to do so. So let's say in some countries when you press this plus button, it tells you you cannot add your card. You see here it's optional in my country and it works. So if it does not, what I want you to do is to venture really quickly into the settings app. Here I am on my settings app. Go to General and then scroll down to language and region and go ahead and change your region to United States right there at the bottom. And once you do that, confirm. As soon as you go back and you press plus, it'll immediately give you the option to add your card. Now, if it does not, go ahead and restart your phone after having changed the region, and then it will work. Thank you so much for watching. For more vids, let me know in the comments and subscribe.